Today we're going to cover adding ArcGIS Server in ArcGIS Monitor. You'll be able to follow along in the ArcGIS Monitor Administrator Help tutorial of the same name. We'll start by selecting the ArcGIS counter type, right-clicking and selecting Add. This will add a new ArcGIS item, and we'll enter a name for the item, and this will appear as the title in Charts and Tables for this site. Next, we need to enter the site URL for the ArcGIS Server site. There's examples here that we can copy and paste in, depending on whether it's HTTP or HTTPS. And we can modify the site URL to match our specific site. In my example, the host name is prod12. Next, I need to enter the token URL. Notice there's a lot of examples available, and you can just copy and paste the appropriate example that matches your environment. So here's the token URL for HTTPS, and I will go ahead and paste that in. If you're using a federated environment, you can use the portal token URL to generate a token. So I will paste in my specific URL for prod12. And next I need to click the Add Credential button. Here I need to enter a name for the credential. Typically it will match the name of the machine just to keep track of it. And then I'll enter the ArcGIS Server Administrative User and password. You can also use the ArcGIS Server Publisher user and password. I'll click the Add button, and notice the credential is now listed for that ArcGIS Server site. Optionally, I can enter a description for the ArcGIS Server site, and in this case it's a production 10.5 environment. I'll click the Test button, and it will query the ArcGIS Server API for information on all the ArcGIS Server services, the folder names, and service types. Here you can see numerous map services, a geocoding service, geoprocessing, and others. Next we'll click the Save button, and now we'll be collecting ArcGIS Server metrics every 15 minutes. After 15 minutes has passed, we can log into the ArcGIS Monitor server page and go to the Categories ArcGIS report. Here we can look at the status and information for ArcGIS Server. Please refer to the ArcGIS Monitor glossary for definitions on all the different tabs and capabilities of the ArcGIS Server counter. Thanks for watching.